So this is our global account where we are selling in multiple marketplaces like USA, UK, France, and Germany. Now we need to upload specific images in France so that French people can read in their own language. It is according to Amazon policies and specifically for better conversion. And in the same way, we will upload in German language in Germany and we will upload in English in UK and USA. So what we have to do, there is only two-step process. In step one, we will do the renaming of all the image files. Like these are the images. If I'm uploading it in UK or any country, I will use the images accordingly. So these images are in French. I will upload it in France. Let's rename them. First of all, what we need to do, we have to write the ASIN like 10-digit code P0 blah blah, and then we have to add a dot. Then for main image, we will write main. For first image, we will write PT01. So on for second PT02, for third image PT04. I'm showing it live on the screen as well. I just renamed two images. Now in second step, we will upload the images to the respective marketplace. First of all, click on menu bar, then go to upload images. And here you need to click on upload images page. And then you just need to upload the image. Like if it's a main, even you can select all the images, like these are the images. We already renamed them. So you can upload all the images. You can select here and upload right away. That's it. And then you need to click on open. So these all the images are uploaded. Now you need to click here and choose the target marketplace. Like we are uploading in France because these are the images for France marketplace. That's it. You choose the country and now you need to click on upload all the six files. It's easy as it is, only two steps. So now you don't need to be worried about the images if they are not reflecting in the respective marketplaces and you are facing low conversion. And if you are facing this issue or any Amazon catalog issues, we are good at troubleshooting. And even if you need to scale your business, we are good at scaling Amazon businesses. We can grow your sales and increase your profitability. Just reach out and we will start delivering. Thank you.